how pretty it is today. It's such a nice day. I didn't really film anything yesterday because I was away all day yesterday, but today should be a little bit more fun and interesting because we are taking in the rams. Took in 3 of them yesterday, 2 of which are actually in the barn because they're ram lambs, and they are the cutest. Hey! His little face, he's so cute. I'm just gonna go ahead and clean and feed everyone. Yep.
Time is standing still as I let go of your cold hand. Eyes are wet but lips are dry, and all the things we'd planned were never what you wanted. We've been lying from the start. Guess I knew it, just ignored it. I let go of your cold hand. I guess I saw it coming, yet it took me by surprise. Oh, oh. But if there's nothing left to cry for, then I will just crack a smile. Oh, oh. I had a million different things to do, and every one of them included you. We had a million different things to do. What can I say? Well, I've been lonely too. Lying on my own, the sheets are covered in your scent. Really tried to fall asleep, but I can't understand. Though we both felt kind of lonely.
So Dan's just dropped me off at the bottom of the field, and he's gone up that way to see if we can scare all the sheep that way, because this is a really steep bit. You can see all the sheep going that way. This is a really steep bit to try and catch them on, so trying to catch them with a bike on this bit just isn't the best. So what we're trying to do is just get the sheep down to the bottom field down there, because that's just a really flat field.
Always thought you loved me when I tried to let it go. The sheets are covered in your scent. I guess I saw it coming, yet it took me by surprise. Oh, oh. But if there's nothing left to cry for, then I will just crack a smile. Oh, oh. If it was never what you wanted, we've been lying from the start. Guess I knew it, just ignored it. I let go of your cold hand. Shadows played a trick on my eyes. Creatures in my bedroom at night. Lately I have not been sleeping fine. I can't get no peace of mind. Though I could be better than I've ever been. Got friends, a family, and a place to stay. see my loved ones every day. I know for every laugh we
4:20 a.m.
waiting on somebody to come through and fuck with me, put in work and make it up for me.
That's 11. So how many rounds do we have altogether? So 3 more to go.
Bitches, they got none of me. Take your time, no need to rush with me. How could you resist what I got to give? How could you resist what I got to give? Waiting on somebody. Waiting on somebody. Waiting on somebody to come through and fuck with me, put in work and make it up for me. No other bitches, they got none of me. Take your time, no need to rush with me. How could you resist what I got to give? How could you resist what I
So, half of the footage from yesterday went missing. It's not on my phone. And the other half that is on my phone, unfortunately, is bin worthy. Because I had my camera strapped to me there, and I was sitting behind Dan on the bike, so all the footage is literally of Dan's back. Didn't think that one through. Didn't get much footage of it. But I have been away again all day today. Me and my brother's girlfriend went to the town today, which is across the water, just to run some errands and pick up some stuff. So I've not been at the farm all day today, but I did get some pretty videos of the beach, which is a bonus always. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and clean this pigsty that these calves have made. It's freezing outside. I've just fed the sheep and fed my chickens, and it's vile outside. Absolutely vile. It's snowing, it's raining, it's hailstoning, it's doing everything all at once. I'm gonna go ahead and clean out these guys and feed them, and then
Hello. Hey.
End of message.
literally just been making breakfast and I looked out the window and I seen it and I was like, oh my god, I have to go. Oh my god, how look atrocious. Finally having a day at the farm today. Woo! No, it is so cold out today. It is freezing. And it's really windy. But yeah, I'm just about to go ahead and clean these guys. Hey, she's so cute. Feed everyone, and then I'm not sure what I'm doing for the rest of the day, but we'll figure that out later.
No matter where you go, always on my mind. I could be alone, but you never.
Fortunately, I just realised that the drain that takes out the liquid from this passage place thing is blocked this morning, or maybe frozen, but I think it's more likely to be blocked, which is just great. Exactly what I need on a Friday morning.
As far as we go, through the darkest night, I hope it brings you peace of mind. I know we'll be alright, no matter where you go, always on my mind. I could be alone, but you're never far from sight. As far as we go, through the darkest night, I hope it brings you peace of mind. I know we'll be alright. You can find me alone in this cold place, no face, a slave to this place inside. If the mystery unsolved like a cold haze in highways, disgraced by a state of mind. Drinking strange water, leave a sour taste. Been looking for my soul in the haze pine. Getting kinda dull to this heartbreak as my heart shakes like the waves in a baseline. The good girl grows too soon. Stay by the light of the moon. It gets better.
This week has been so quiet and so boring, so I do apologise for that. There's not much that I could do. I'll get them ready for some pretty big jobs starting probably next week or the week after. It's about time that we start scanning cows, so that's going to be a really big job on. And then there's going to be other bits that are going to be a little bit more interesting than me cleaning crap every day of the week. But for now, we're just going to carry on cleaning and feeding.
Like a song you can't remember. See you in December, so know you'll be coming home soon after you'll be gone. No matter where you go, always on my mind. I could be alone, but you're never far from sight. As far as we go, through the darkest night.
I'm taking the cab off of this tractor because it's rotten. And I'm going to put mud guards on it and tidy it up a bit.
I could be alone, but you're never far from sight. As far as we go, through the darkest night, I hope it brings you peace of mind. I know we'll be alright now. Been trying to delay what the days take. Find myself locked up. Can't escape this, there's no way. Now haunted by the mistakes. Big stacks like chips on a small blind. High tax to pay for lost time. Build yourself up from whatever's left of us. And the parts that stayed behind. Parts that stayed behind.
What did you say?
I just need to cut this bit of rubber. And then that'll be free for the cab.
photograph in which we want